Hi there, this is Noah with ERS. So for this week's Minute Monday video, I want to talk about routing. Now, most of us when we first start out, we're of course just using pen and paper to plan out our routes, and that works just fine when you're brand new. But once you start to have any volume, you really do want to start to use some kind of a system to make the most efficient routes. You just save money and time that way. So a couple of things that I have learned over the years, a couple of examples of this, I should say. Our co-founder, Rob Weinstein, my boss, who of course ran his own very successful party rental company here in Albuquerque for a number of years, started to save $1,600 a month when he started using routing. Now, of course, at that time, his company was already doing pretty well here in Albuquerque, but it never got anywhere near as big as some of our biggest customers. So if he was saving that much each month in gas and labor costs, then how much are some of the bigger companies saving each month? So another fact I found really interesting was UPS, the world's largest logistics company, saves $300 to $400 million a year with their routing algorithms. Now, of course, their stuff is incredibly complicated. Again, they are the biggest logistics company in the world. So that's, obviously the most extreme example, but you can save quite a lot of money by using a system to develop your routes as opposed to sitting there with pen and paper. Not to mention, you don't have to spend your whole darn Thursday night doing it, right? You know, what used to take you 3-4 hours might now take you 15-20 minutes. So it's just a win-win. And plus, all those labor hours that you're paying your drivers to drive around, right? I mean, there's no point in spending the extra money when you don't have to. Any system that you're paying to do that is actually going to pay for itself and then some in savings. So, of course, ERS has a really robust routing system, and you are absolutely welcome to watch a tutorial video on that by clicking on the link in this corner up here. So, hope this is helpful, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.